Are you surprised? I know you're surprised that hasn't gone lower.
I'm surprised it didn't fall further from yesterday evening onwards, or from when Madame Lagarde made her comments, and when all the newswires started talking about a meeting of the ECB to get today. Will the banks open on Monday? Let's put it this way: if the banks were to not open on Monday morning, I don't think we'd be here. I think that would wake people up. I think you'll get a general kind of stunned disbelief around places saying, "Hang on a second, you mean we think we need the grown-ups in the room now, not until now?"
Yeah.
But equally, I think probably a majority of people thinking that some kind of compromise at the very last minute is still the more likely outcome.
And also, on the flip side of things, is it the dollar that's keeping the euro pretty much steady?
Well, because people were long dollars, and they felt more pain than the people who were long euros, of whom there weren't very many. So, if you go back to Thursday evening, it wasn't a very exciting Fed press conference. The rate hike is still on track, and it's still going to be gradual. And you could have written that script before we went in. And as you can see from your chart, we jumped. So we jumped tells you which side was the weaker side of the positioning going into it, and we haven't sorted that out yet.
CFTC data shows people are lightening up on the euro shorts, so there is a more sort of long-term
bearish
story that's emerging here. Is that going to carry on?
Yeah, I think that short-term traders, speculators in particular, also on the futures market, which is where the CFTC captures them, have significantly reduced their positions, but on the other hand, I think there's a lot of people who've been short the euro, long-term investors, equity investors, for example, who've been hedging European equity exposure. They, on the other hand, feel no need. We made that move from 130 to 105 was very quick. Back to 115, if you were short from up there,
you're still okay, in the money.
You're not necessarily, and with these news headlines, I'm not sure that gets you out. But it doesn't get you more into the short, so we don't get new sellers.